Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy XRP Ripple on MetaMask wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is, first thing is, you're simply going to go ahead and access your MetaMask. It can be from your app or it can be from your browser. Once you've accessed your particular MetaMask wallet, you're going to go to the section of buy and sell. Once you're in the buy and sell section, you're going to go to the buy section and you're going to choose what coin you would like to buy. Once you choose the Binance coin or any other coin, you're going to go ahead, go through the purchasing process, adding the limit, adding the information, and choosing what you would like to buy. And you're going to go ahead, go through the buying process, and when you have purchased, adding the payment, afterwards adding the payment method. Once you're done purchasing it from the MetaMask, you're going to go to the swap option and you're going to swap it to XRP Ripple. So what you're going to do, you will choose your asset which you have purchased, let's say Binance coin, and here at the bottom in the swap section, you're going to add in the XRP Ripple from the search option. Once you have found the XRP Ripple, choose it and go ahead, add in the coin, Binance coin, how much you would like to swap, and confirm the swap at the bottom, and you will be able to swap it to XRP Ripple. And that's how you can buy MetaMask XRP Ripple on MetaMask. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.